Hey there, are you ready to supercharge your life and get more done in less time? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 life-changing hacks that will completely transform your routine and help you unlock your full potential. Let's dive in and take your productivity to the next level. Light bulb. Hack number 1. The one thing focus hack. Each day, pick one major task to focus on, and commit to completing it before moving on to anything else. This hack helps you avoid multitasking, which can reduce your productivity, and it allows you to give your full attention to what truly matters. By focusing on one task at a time, you'll achieve more and feel a greater sense of accomplishment. Hack number 2. The 20-minute morning routine. Start your day with just 20 minutes of focused activity that sets the tone for the rest of your day. It could be stretching, journaling, meditating, or planning your day. Whatever works for you. A quick morning routine helps you feel grounded, energized, and ready to take on the day. Hack number 3. Digital detox hours. Designate a specific time each day to completely disconnect from your devices. Whether it's during meals, before bed, or even just an hour in the morning, this time allows you to recharge, improve your focus, and nurture meaningful in-person relationships. By reducing screen time, you'll clear mental clutter and feel more present. Hack number 4. The 5-minute gratitude practice. Every evening, take just 5 minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be big or small, anything that made you smile during the day. This simple practice rewires your brain to focus on the positives and increases happiness. Gratitude helps shift your mindset and brings more positivity into your life. Hack number 5. The no complaining challenge. Try going an entire day without complaining, whether it's about work, traffic, or even the weather. Every time you catch yourself complaining, replace it with something positive or a solution-focused thought. Over time, this habit can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your overall outlook on life. There you have it, 5 fresh life-changing hacks to help you stay focused, positive, and productive. Try them out and see how they transform your daily routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you found these hacks helpful. Catch you in the next video.